Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video, and I'm going to talk to you guys about how to take profits in this bull market, because I've been telling you guys for years now that I believe that Bitcoin is going to go to $100,000 at least. But I'm also always telling you guys that I think Bitcoin can go much higher than this, up to $300,000, maybe even up to $500,000 in this bull cycle. So that begs the question, where do we sell? Because of course, if you, let's say the Bitcoin price goes to 300,000 and tops out at 300,000 and then goes back down to 50,000. Well, if it goes back to 50,000, then obviously we're just back to where we are today and you didn't make any gains at all from today. So we want to make sure to take some profits at some point. And this is what I want to talk to you guys about in this video. And I got so much good feedback from my latest few videos where I did this walking and talking, where I just like share my thoughts about stuff. I'm not getting as many views on these videos, which is fine. I don't care about the views. What I care about is your engagement. I can see that you guys are liking these videos much more than my average videos, and you are commenting much more than my average videos. So let's get right into this video. And if you want more of these more casual videos, please leave a thumbs up down below right now. The latest video that I did like this got 9.5 thousand likes. If we can push this video to 10,000 likes, then I can guarantee you guys I will make one of these videos every single day alongside of my my normal video. So yeah, let's do that. Let's smash the like button like never before, All right, so where do we take profits? Well, first of all, what is my strategy? Like, why do we take profits? We want to take profits so we can have money to buy the dip. Because like I said, if we go to 300,000 and back to 50,000, then 50,000 will be maybe like the next bear market low, the bear market bottom basically. Maybe it goes down to 40,000, who knows? But when it goes down to these levels, we want to be able to buy the dip, because if you only have Bitcoin, if that's the only thing you have, then you cannot buy the dip. And we want to make sure that we can always do this. So this is my strategy. This is what I'm going to do. First of all, I didn't sell any Bitcoin so far. And what I've been saying to you guys before is that between 100,000 and 300,000, I'm going to start dollar cost average out of Bitcoin. I'm not going to exit my whole position, that's for sure. I'm going to keep the vast majority of my Bitcoin for the next 10, 20 years or so. Most of my Bitcoin I will never sell. I'm a hodler and I don't care about quick gains when it comes to my long-term portfolio. But I still want to remain smart. I still want to be smart about it. And we have to kind of just realize that we can make some smart reallocations and rebalance our portfolio a little bit. And whether that's taking profits in Bitcoin or rebalancing between altcoins and Bitcoin, I think we should always try to do these things. But yeah, so what I've been thinking is that I'm going to take 10% of my Bitcoin, approximately, and I'm going to dollar cost average out of Bitcoin between $100,000 and $300,000. So what I've been thinking is that, because you can dollar cost average into Bitcoin, but you can also dollar cost average out of Bitcoin. So of course, I'm not going to sell all of this in one point, because let's say we go to 250,000 and I sell this 10% there. If we then go to 500,000 next week, then I don't have anything else to sell because I already committed to only selling 10%, right? So dollar cost averaging is smart when you go into Bitcoin, but also out of Bitcoin. So for example, what you can do is as soon as we reach 100,000 and we start reaching towards 200,000, 300,000, you can start selling weekly. You can start selling maybe 0.5% per week for 20 weeks or something. Or maybe you want to sell 20% and then you can sell maybe 1% per week for 20 weeks, or or maybe every day you can sell, let's say $1,000 worth of Bitcoin every day for a few days. Like, you just have to pick a strategy and then stick to it. That's the most important thing. Much more important than exactly how much you sell. The most important thing is to just picking a strategy and sticking to it, because you don't want to involve any emotions. And when you involve emotions, usually you always get wrecked. So You have to be like a robot. Pick a strategy and then like you just execute based on this strategy, and don't change the strategy. So why are we doing this? Well, we want to buy the dip, but also what we can do is that we take this money and instead of putting it into dollars, which are inflating every single day, we know that dollars are just getting inflated, right? Instead of doing that, you can invest. You can invest into other assets. You can diversify. And obviously, if you held Bitcoin since 10,000 and then now you sell over 100,000, you made 10x your money. So hopefully you have a lot of money then. And this money can be used to create cash flow. And cash flow is the most important thing in life. Okay, so there are more, happiness is more important, family is more important, but in investing and financials, in your own little investment strategy, I think that cash flow for your personal finance is very, very important. It is the most important thing. Because of course you can buy an altcoin and it goes 20x and whoa, you made money, funny, that's nice, cool. But what makes you wealthy, what makes you what creates a good lifestyle for you is cash flow. Because even if you had an altcoin that went 10x, well, you have to sell to buy something, and now you have less of this altcoin. And when you sell 50% to buy a house, now you only have 50% left, and you don't make more of this altcoin. Maybe it's also going to go down. And the same goes with Bitcoin. Bitcoin can make you a lot of money in the long term. If you buy a Bitcoin today and it goes to $1 million, then obviously good for you. You made fantastic gains. But $1 million, while sure, it is a lot of money, but as soon as you buy an apartment for $1 million, then it's gone now. Now you have no more money. Your Bitcoin is gone. That's why you want to have cash flow, because every single month, every single day maybe, you will be getting more and more money all the time. Very important. And so this is my strategy. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my Bitcoin that I'm selling, according to my dollar cost average strategy, and I'm going to invest into potentially into stocks that are giving me dividends, and also into real estate that can give me cash flow because I'm renting out real estate, and also buying companies. I can buy crypto companies or maybe even other types of companies, companies in a industry that I understand, which is obviously crypto. So that's the best thing for me, obviously. And I can make these companies better. I can invest this money that I took profits from Bitcoin, and I can create businesses, buying businesses, make them better, and this will hopefully generate cash flow. And why do I want this cash flow? Well, we know that Bitcoin goes in these cycles. We go up and we crash. We go up and we crash. And in every crash, so to speak, obviously it's not a crash. We're just correcting and we're always higher than the previous bear market. But we always see these big bubble pops, and then we see bear markets. And all these bear markets, they tend to be 1 year to 3 years long. And the bull market is fun, but in the bear market, it's not so much fun, because only holding in the bear market, you won't make any money at all. Quite literally, you will make zero money, because you will just go sideways for probably 3 years. You can trade, but now we're talking about investing here. Trading is another thing, and I can make another video about that, but now we're talking about just investing here. And the cash flow will help you to just accumulate the whole bear market. And that's what I did for this bear market. I created a cash flow with my businesses, and even though Bitcoin went from 10,000 to 12,000 down to 3,000, and we're just ranging between basically we were at $10,000 for 3 years, and most people made no money with Bitcoin. But with trading, you can make money, but also with having this cash flow, you can accumulate Bitcoin, and you can accumulate with trading or with cash flow from businesses. And specifically from businesses, I was able to accumulate Bitcoin with this cash flow that I created from not only my YouTube channel, but I have other businesses as well alongside of YouTube. And I think that it's very important that you guys create cash flow and go out there, make your own business, get into crypto, and of course, if you want to go into trading, that's also the other route. You can do both. You can do both. Trading is more risky. It takes much more time to learn, and it took a long time for me to learn. But it's definitely also possible to create a cash flow from that as well. But I think the most important thing is the passive cash flow, essentially. That's what I'm talking about here. Trading is not passive. It's something that you actively do, and yeah, that's perfectly fine, and you have to love doing it also. If you love doing it, then perfect. But I think, like I said in the earlier part of this video, this passive income, passive cash flow, it is what's going to make you wealthy in the long run. Because I mean, you don't want to sit there in the future being dependent on work to make money. You want to be able to just sit down on a nice beach somewhere, maybe on Kopangan, maybe in Bali. You want to sit down, drink a pina colada maybe, and make money when you just sit there. You want to make money every single minute. That's what you want to do. And this is something that I've already been able to achieve. And I can tell you guys, it's absolutely fantastic, because then you can do whatever you want. For example, you can go to Dubai like I did. You can live here, and you can just, you can work. You can work if you want to, but you don't have to. You can just, you can go out with friends, go for dinners. But the funny thing is that people think that when you get rich, you will just sit down on the beach and do nothing. But honestly, that never happens. Like entrepreneurs, all entrepreneurs, they love what they do. I'm one of them. I'm an entrepreneur. I love what I do. I love Bitcoin. I love trading. I love YouTube videos. I love you guys a lot. And I would never stop doing this. Like even if I make $10 billion tomorrow, even if someone gives me $100 billion tomorrow, I will still make these videos because I love what I'm doing. That's what I would love to inspire you guys to find your passion. You want to do find your passion and make passive income from your passion. That is very important. Because then you will be truly financially free, and you will also feel fulfilled, and you will feel good about it. Because just getting a bunch of money in your hand is not going to make you happy. Like, even if you make 100x in an altcoin, it's going to make you more comfortable, but it's not going to make you happy. What's going to make you happy is doing what you love, and hopefully making money from this also. Like feeling secure and financially free from doing something that you really enjoy doing. So I would really want to inspire you guys to have a vision in your mind of what you want to do, a clear vision in your mind of what you want to do. Visualize it, very important. Have a clear vision, and just work towards it. And but I'm not saying that you should not invest in altcoins and Bitcoin. I mean, making money is a lot of fun, and you should definitely do it. So I just want to make sure that you understand that even more important than just watching your Bitcoin go up in value is to create cash flow, so you can always add more Bitcoin. I mean, some people think that you can take $5,000, go into crypto, and create wealth. I don't think that's true. You can go into Bitcoin or crypto with $5,000 and make a lot of money, but creating wealth is something much more. It's much more than that. It's this cash flow. Because let's say you have $5,000 and Bitcoin goes up 10x. You made 50,000, or it's now worth 50,000. Congratulations. What if you had cash flow and you bought $5,000 worth of Bitcoin every single month for 3 years, and Bitcoin also went 10x? Well, now we're talking about a lot of money, because now you have not only now I'm not going to do the math because it's too much math right now, but like all these months, $5,000 every single month, and Bitcoin goes 10x. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars rather than just $50,000. And this is why I really think that cash flow is very, very important, guys, because it's just basically how you create wealth. And if you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up down below. I really hope that you enjoyed it. It's a very different video. It's very different from what I usually do. And like I said, these videos, they don't get as many views as my normal videos, but I know that you guys liked my previous videos. And please give some good suggestions of the next topic I can talk about. Maybe Dubai. I can talk about Dubai. Look at this. Dubai is absolutely beautiful. Or I can talk about maybe altcoins, maybe talk about more about like how to invest, or investments, or mindset or something like this. That would be cool. But make sure to subscribe if you didn't subscribe already. And also, the most important thing, if you liked this video, if you really want to help out, the most important thing that you can do for my channel is to share this video. So if you go down below this video and click the share button, this will put links back to my channel, and YouTube loves to see that. This will make YouTube push this video to everyone else, so more people can learn about cash flow, and more people can learn about how to make more money in crypto rather than just buying crypto, because this is very important stuff, right? This is it for me. This is it from Dubai. And thank you for watching. And if you haven't seen these videos, make sure to click them right now, right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.